with immediate effect.
Mr. Rohi, after leaving that meeting, did you consult with the Commissioner of Police?
Yes, I did.
And would you kindly indicate to us what was decided with respect to what was decided during that consultation?
The reposting of Mr. Hicken to force headquarters. The reposting of Commander Hicken to force headquarters.
Was a replacement for Mr. Hicken identified?
Yes.
And who was that replacement?
That was Mr. Gavin Primo, Assistant Commissioner of Police.
Sir, were you informed as to whether that decision was duly executed?
Yes, I was.
Was it?
It was.
Now, Mr. Rohi, let us turn our attention to terms of reference number 2. That is, make recommendations, implementation of which will assist the Guyana Police Force in effectively and professionally discharging their responsibilities.
Before you go there, please, here, Minister, you said that you contacted Mr. Hicken sometime after on the 18th. You said that just now, right?
Yes.
Could you tell us, and you asked for information, what, if any, information Mr. Hicken gave you on the 18th, sometime after 8 p.m.?
He gave me a general description of what was taking place and what had taken place. He could not tell me exactly how many people were killed. The information that he had was very sketchy. But I think he tried his best to provide me with as much information as he could in respect of what the crowd was doing on the bridge, how long they were on the bridge, the actions they took to disperse the crowd from the bridge, that buildings were burning, that explosions were heard, that the police came under attack, that tear gas was used, and that the SOP with respect to crowd dispersal was followed by the unit.
Thank you.
Yes, Minister Rohi. Let us now turn our attention to terms of reference number 2, as requested by the Commission, their letter dated the 25th of October 2012. That is, to make recommendations, implementation of which will assist the Guyana Police Force in effectively and professionally discharging their responsibilities for the maintenance of law and order in the aforesaid community of Linden and similar communities without endangering their own safety and that of innocent persons. Now, Minister Rohi, as the present administration being constantly and consistently reviewing every facet of the Guyana Police Force?
Yes, I would say so.
Would you be able to, or would you kindly indicate to us in what regard or what have they been reviewing with respect to the Guyana Police Force? Tell us of the aspects.
If I may repeat the question of
Having regard to the request of the Honorable Minister, Mr. Chairman, may he be permitted to refresh his memory from his statement? I'm ready.
Sorry, I just wanted to point out what we have is an unsigned document. So if you could just confirm that what we have is the statement before you attempt to refresh his memory. I know, but unlike the other statements which were signed, this was not signed.
You may proceed, Mr. Ruby.
We will from time to time look at the structure, the organization, the operations and standard procedures, the technical capabilities of the force, its relationship with the civilian authorities,